Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the lid switch magnet on your washer. The reason why you might have to replace this magnet is because it's either missing, broken, or your washer is not working properly.
For this job, you'll just need a Phillips head screwdriver.
Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer model. We've got a GE here, and keep in mind that our model might be a little bit different than yours, but the same techniques should still apply. To get to our lid switch magnet, we're just going to open our top door here. Here's our magnet. It's held in with 2 screws. We're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, and we can just remove these screws. And then we'll remove our old magnet. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement magnet. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And now we're going to replace the magnet. So we're just going to put it right back in this area here, line up our holes, and we can screw that back in. Now we can just close the washer door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.